Okay, so welcome to part 4. In this part, we're going to talk a bit about some blueprint and coding stuff, and to build some good foundations for the future game. So, right now we have a rock that if we press play, after 3 seconds it will get destroyed. And let's say I would want to change this right here in the editor. Let's say I would like to change it to 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 2 seconds, and by having a number over here that I can change when I want. So let's open our counter browser. Let's go to our destroy rock blueprint. Okay, so this is our code. So let me explain some concepts. So in programming languages, and of course, Blueprint is a scripting language, but Blueprint has also this feature we are going to talk about. We have variables. If you haven't heard about variables before in a programming language, they are basically you can think of them as a box. This is the variable. Every variable has a name, x for let's say, and inside that variable we store some stuff, like in a box. So we would store a number, for example. Then we will have another variable. This is another variable with a name y and with a value of, I don't know, 10. Okay. And some programming languages have that, some don't. Blueprint has. Each box can only store some type of data inside. So data can be many things. Data can be text, numbers, everything, a lot of stuff. So let me delete that, and let's go over here. Let's pick blue. So the blue boxes can store whole numbers, 5, 10, 20, etc. And let's name it X. So green boxes could store, for example, floating numbers like 3.14 and name it Y. Then we will have a box that can store text like hello, and name this box Z. Okay, so basically what variables are things that we can store data inside with different types. Okay, so let's go back to Unreal. You can see over here that this delay function has this duration over here, and you can see in the box that shows up it says duration float single precision, which is floating number. We can type here 3.14 and so on. And now let's say I want to make it a variable, store that data in my box, and when this function, this node gets called, we will get the data from our box and use it from here. Okay, so let's drag it and let's promote to variable, and let's leave it as duration. Okay, let's compile, save, and now if you see over here, if we change this, this duration here also will be changed. Okay, let's set it to 1, for example, and let's go here and play. You can see that after 1 second it gets destroyed. Okay, but now in the start we wanted to be able to edit that variable over here, and in order to do that, all you have to do is press this I over here, press compile, save, and you can see over here that we can edit this duration right here. Let's say 5 seconds. Enter, and let's press play. And yeah, it gets destroyed. And the good thing with this is that we can have multiple rocks that have a different duration. So okay, first let's first destroy this, then this, then this, then this. Okay, so first let's have this duration 1, duration 2, duration 3, duration 4. Okay, so they should be deleted gradually. Okay, that's a cool effect. And yeah, that's a very good use case of variables. You can create a new variable by going to this plus button. And here are all the basic data types of variables we can, the all different kind of boxes we have. Okay, you can see they have a color to distinct them. Let me go over these, but we will learn as we go. Okay, Boolean is a true or false value. A byte is a byte. A byte is equal to 8 bits. A bit is a 1 or a 0. Integer is a number, a whole number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Integer 64 is just a bigger number. We can store bigger numbers in that box. Floats are floating numbers. These are all used, name, string and text are all used to store text inside our variables. Vectors are used to store position of an actor inside our scene, and its scale and other things. Rotator, it's used to hold the rotation of our object, and transform is used to store our position, our rotation, and our scale. Okay, so there are of course a lot of other data types, but these are the basic ones that you should know right now. Okay, so let's delete that with our delete button. Let's compile, and yeah, that was about it, about data types and variables. And yeah, see you in the next one.